Have you ever wondered how AI can create art, faces, and even entire worlds that don't exist? Welcome to the fascinating world of GANs, Generative Adversarial Networks. Imagine two AI systems playing a constant game of cat and mouse, where one creates and the other critiques. But how do they actually work? At its core, a GAN consists of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator. The generator creates fake data, while the discriminator tries to spot the fakes. What makes this system so revolutionary? Think of the generator as an art forger, constantly improving its craft to fool the expert discriminator. Each time the discriminator catches a fake, the generator learns and gets better. How does this translate to real-world applications? GANs are behind deep fakes, AI art generation, and even helping scientists simulate complex particle physics experiments. But what's the potential impact on our future? From creating new drug molecules to designing virtual worlds for gaming, GANs are reshaping how we think about artificial creativity. Ready to dive deeper? Check out these resources: GANs in Action by Jakub Langer and Vladimir Bach, and the original GAN paper by Ian Goodfellow. If you enjoyed this exploration of GANs, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily videos on AI and quantum computing.